On GitHub, a repository maintained by a developer in Iceland has amassed over 43,600 stars and 7,200 forks. This archive, known as System Prompts Leaks, contains the precise internal instructions that govern commercial artificial intelligence. These instructions are the system prompts, the foundational architecture for an AI model. This framework dictates the software's persona, its operational constraints, its ability to execute code, and its access to external tools for billions of daily user interactions. Leading AI laboratories once guarded these prompts as proprietary trade secrets. Today, they are curated in this repository and distributed under a public domain license, explicitly waiving all copyright and attribution requirements globally. The archive captures the operating guidelines for the industry's most advanced systems. The catalog includes Anthropic's Claude Fable 5, specialized autonomous agents like Google Jules, and OpenAI's TPT 5.5 thinking. With these documents exposed, the study of commercial AI behavioral conditioning has shifted from speculative guesswork into the realm of verifiable software engineering. Because these documents detail heavily guarded infrastructure, researchers face a critical question of verification. How do we prove these massive text files are genuine exfiltrations and not sophisticated hallucinations generated by the models themselves? Verification relies first on internet convergence. Independent researchers operating across disparate networks and platforms routinely extract the exact same 3,000-word strings. To ensure the model is not simply agreeing with a user's prompt, researchers use negative testing. They inject fabricated rules into a genuine prompt fragment. Authentic models reject the fabricated portions while verifying the legitimate elements, proving they are cross-referencing a static internal document. The ultimate proof resides in statistical reproducibility. Extractions are validated when the exact same output is derived consistently across hundreds of independent generations, each initiated in a completely fresh zero-context window. Given the probabilistic nature of large language models, the mathematical probability of a model spontaneously hallucinating the same highly structured document across multiple zero-context sessions is virtually zero. These are static, hard-coded internal documents. The raw text of these leaked prompts reveals a sophisticated architecture. Modern instructions function as rigid pseudocode operating systems. This diagram illustrates the universal four-layer taxonomy used across enterprise AI models. The innermost identity pillar anchors the engine to a specific temporal reality, preventing temporal hallucinations. The outermost safety pillar provides the overriding guardrail against adversarial inputs. Anthropic's models utilize a highly specific mechanism to mitigate copyright liability, an automated IP reminder, forbidding the reproduction of song lyrics, sections of copyrighted books, or long excerpts from periodicals, even when presented with adversarial workarounds. To maintain conversational fluidity, the prompt explicitly commands the model to hide the existence of this reminder from the human operator. The identity and safety layers exist to anchor the engine to corporate liability realities before any actual logic is executed. Within the core capabilities pillar, natural language instructions dictate computational efficiency and manage thread execution. This flowchart from the Microsoft Copilot CLI prompt details how the system orchestrates tool calls. The agent evaluates if requested tasks are independent. If independent, it executes them in parallel to maximize efficiency. If a data dependency exists, it mandates sequential execution to prevent failure. This explicit rule set integrates prompt engineering directly into the logic of traditional algorithmic flowcharting. Natural language instructions are actively managing thread execution and preventing race conditions in commercial software. When an AI agent attempts to hold complex, multi-step tasks entirely in its internal memory, it suffers from context fragmentation. The model loses track of its progress and fails to finish the subroutine. Anthropic's Claude Desktop solves this fragmentation by forcing the model to externalize its operational memory into the text context. The to-do write tool commands the model to build a structured Kanban board inside the context window, categorizing tasks as pending, in progress, or completed. To maintain focus, the prompt implements an engineered bottleneck, strictly capping the in-progress state to one concurrent task. This hard-coded limit forces linear subroutine completion. The model must finish researching a topic before it is allowed to begin designing the solution. Microsoft's Copilot CLI uses a similar approach, instructing the model to reflect its tasks and dependencies into a queryable SQL database for tracking. Developers achieve agentic autonomy by anchoring the volatile thought processes of a language model to rigid, traditional database structures. Highly autonomous agents operating in local developer environments require defensive engineering guardrails to prevent accidental damage. The Google Jules prompt mandates a verification-first mindset when the agent encounters error states. The instructions prohibit Jules from reactively installing or uninstalling packages. Instead, the model is commanded to diagnose the root cause by reading error logs and configuration files before altering the environment. The Cursor IDE agent operates under equally restrictive rules regarding file system navigation. Before using any tool, the Cursor agent must construct a mathematically absolute file path. It is required to resolve user-provided relative paths against the project root to prevent directory traversal errors. OpenAI's Codex targets version control, explicitly warning the model not to fix unrelated bugs. This constraint prevents scope creep, ensuring generated code remains highly targeted. These constraints program the AI with the cautious, verification-first mindset of a senior software engineer. A massive portion of these system prompts is dedicated purely to structural formatting for graphical user interfaces. Anthropic relies on XML tagging to separate foundational operating rules from volatile user inputs. Overarching behavioral directives are enclosed in high-level tags, physically shielding them from the conversational context. To safely handle malformed data from external APIs, models are instructed to write internal try-catch logic blocks. This lets the model fall back to raw text processing rather than crashing the execution loop. OpenAI's Codex strictly prohibits the output of internal citation markers that the command line interface cannot render. Instead, the model must output standard file paths that the software can convert into clickable hyperlinks. Bridging the gap between raw LLM output and a functional user interface requires an immense token budget dedicated to syntax standardization and friction reduction. The scale of the System Prompts Leaks repository identifies it as a global, collaborative software engineering asset. Researchers consistently extract operating instructions from even the most advanced models, demonstrating that prompt exfiltration has become functionally inevitable. While AI vendors protect their intellectual property, relying on prompt obfuscation to maintain a competitive advantage is a dead strategy. Because the blueprints for the AI operating system are now public, enterprise laboratories are pivoting their engineering focus. With the meta prompt exposed, the true enterprise moat is the optimization of underlying neural weights and the pure speed of their API orchestration layers.